Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix organ keys not working step by step. First, power off and unplug the organ and clear a clean workspace to avoid shocks. Next, remove covers and use a flashlight to inspect key bushings, springs, and wiring for obvious damage. Take photos for reference, then test individual keys gently to locate the fault before moving to cleaning or part replacement. Start diagnosing by playing each key slowly and listening for muted or sticky responses so you can map the problem. Look for physical obstructions under keys, uneven travel, or loose screws that allow wobble. Inspect connectors and ribbon cables for corrosion or pin damage, and gently reseat any loose plugs while noting their orientation and labels for reassembly. When you've located the issue, start with the simplest fix like cleaning contacts with electronics cleaner and cycling keys to dislodge dirt. Replace damaged springs or felt bushings with exact or compatible parts, and align keys precisely to restore travel and contact timing. Finish by lubricating pivot points sparingly, reassembling covers, and testing the full keyboard to confirm reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.